What would the reggaeton music be like on the handpan? Come to discover it. The reggaeton music is very popular and it has a very hypnotic rhythm that it is like this. To be honest, this rhythm comes from Africa and it's called Ancadia, and the rhythm can be played like this: tun on the ding and ka on the another note. Tunka 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 ka tunka, like this. We can divide this rhythm in two parts. The first part is tunka tunka, tunka tunka. The right hand plays the ding, the left hand other notes. Tunka tunka, tunka tunka, tunka tunka. The second part is tunka katunka, tunka katunka, tunka katunka. And we can mix them. Tunka 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 katunka, tunka 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 katunka, tunka 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 katunka. Together, tunka 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 katunka. The right hand plays always the same. Tum 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 tum. It's the left hand that change the rhythm. Tunka 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 katunka, tunka 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 katunka, tunka 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 katunka. And we can also change the left hand in different notes. For example, we can do also a little variation on the last note, like this. Tunka tunka, tagadimi tanka, tunka tunka. We can start from third note. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you want something a little bit difficult, you can play 6 notes on one beat like this. You can start from this note. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Takita, takita, taka. The last part will be tunka, tunka. So the complete exercise it is. Follow me if you want to discover more about the handpan world. Bye bye.